If you've ever experienced an itchy, dry, or burning vulva, you're not alone. And despite the myths, it's not about poor hygiene. Let's get that out of the way. Hi, I'm your guide for the 14-Day Comfort Challenge, a self-paced program of short videos, rituals, recipes, and printable tools designed to ease genitourinary discomfort and help you rebuild confident, pain-free intimacy. Today we'll cover why vulvas itch, the common causes to consider, what you can do at home, and where the 14-Day Comfort Challenge fits, so you have a clear, gentle plan for the next 2 weeks. Picture this. You're at work, Pilates class, or out with friends, and the itch hits. Do you mind over matter it and hope it disappears? Go for the scratch because it's natural? Discreetly adjust and pray no one notices? However you cope, know this. Vulval itching is common, and many women eventually speak to a clinician about persistent symptoms. Persistent itch, often called pruritus vulvae, is a symptom. There are many possible causes, which is why a calm, step-by-step approach matters. So why is the vulva prone to itching? Warmth, moisture, friction, frequent wiping, menstrual blood, urine, feces, and semen. All of these can irritate sensitive skin. Also, any grooming that includes shaving, waxing, and lasers can add up to that irritation. Here's where the 14-Day Comfort Challenge helps with this in only the first 3 days. In Day 1, we have the baseline comfort quiz and the symptom diary to spot your triggers and set realistic goals. In Day 2, our famous flash stop breathwork and special acupressure techniques will give you quick, in-the-moment relief that is often achieved in under 3 minutes. And in Day 3, the hydration smoothies plus snack hacks will support your tissue comfort from the inside out. Now let's talk about the everyday culprit I see most often: contact dermatitis. This term simply means that your skin is reacting to something it touches. Fragrances, soaps, bubble baths, wipes, scented toilet paper, laundry detergents, and dyes can irritate tender vulvar skin. When you scratch, it may feel good for a moment, but repeated scratching can actually thicken the skin over time through a process called lichenification, which then makes it even itchier, turning it into a vicious cycle. Here's how we can break it gently, with 2 simple steps. First, do a label check ritual. Scan any product you may be using and check if it says fragrance on it. If it does, put it on the pause shelf for 2 weeks. And swap in plain, fragrance-free options for anything that touches underwear or towels. Secondly, lower the friction. You can do this by wearing breathable underwear. Skip the tight ones for now, and after workouts, change out of damp clothes as soon as possible. Less friction equals fewer flare-ups. Now, here's where the 14-Day Comfort Challenge holds your hand through the transformation. In Day 4, we show you micro-stretches for pelvic ease. These are short, gentle moves that reduce pelvic tension and the micro-friction that keeps irritating your skin. And in Day 8, we introduce our day and night topical routines. We teach you how to make fragrance-free, soothing creams in your own house. You'll learn how to apply them at the perfect times when moisture or friction is most likely. Okay, so we've started turning the volume down on irritation. Now let's break the itch-scratch cycle for good. As you may know, scratching feels amazing for a split second. Then inflammation fires up, nerves get louder, and the urge comes back even stronger. That's the itch-scratch cycle, a loop we're going to break with 5 simple steps. In Step 1, we pause the spike. We do this with special breathing systems we teach inside the program. I'll show you a quick one now. First, inhale for exactly 4 seconds, then hold for 2, and exhale for 6 seconds, letting all that tension out on the exhale. Repeat this for 5 cycles. These exhales tell your nervous system to stand down. In Step 2, we replace the scratching with calm touch. Place your palm over the scratch and hold steady pressure for 10 to 15 seconds. If you're at home, use a cool compress for 1 minute. Don't put the ice directly on the skin. Now in Step 3, we soothe the skin barrier by applying the natural creams we introduce in Day 8 of the challenge. One good replacement that usually gets the job done is coconut oil. For Step 4, we set a tiny boundary. Start a 2-minute hands-off timer. You can do anything you want for 2 minutes. Breathe or press, just don't scratch for 2 minutes. Once the timer is over, the urge to scratch should be gone. Finally, in Step 5, we learn from the itch patterns by tracking daily in your symptom diary that we provide in the program and note, What happened 30 to 90 minutes before the flare? Maybe you just came back from the gym, or maybe you used a certain towel. Also note, where did it start? How intense was it from 0 to 10? What helped? This is how we prevent tomorrow's flare, not just today's. Next, I'll give you some smart self-care habits so each day gets easier and it stays that way. Here are 5 smart self-care tips you can start today. 1. Short nails equals safer skin. Keep your nails trimmed so accidental scratching doesn't break the barrier you're trying to heal. 2. Hydration that actually sticks. Aim for steady fluids throughout the day. Add a pinch of electrolytes or coconut water if you sweat a lot. 3. Laundry that loves your skin. Switch to fragrance-free, dye-free detergent for washing your clothes. Also, we highly recommend an extra rinse for underwear, towels, and sheets. 4. Go easy on the shaving. If you're irritated or having flare-ups, don't shave. Just carefully trim a little if you need to. 5. The Rinse Air Shield. This trio stops flares before they even start. After the bathroom, workouts, or intimacy. Rinse front to back with a small Perry bottle using lukewarm water, then air dry with a hairdryer on cool for 10 to 15 seconds and avoid any rubbing. Finally, dab a pea-size, fragrance-free cream onto the external folds. Now I'll show you how to begin day 1 of the challenge and start building lasting results. Get fast relief and stopping flare-ups from running your life. So if itchy flares have been shaping your day, it's time to flip that script. The 14-Day Comfort Challenge gives you a clear, private plan designed for women so you can calm symptoms fast and keep flares from creeping back. Here's what you'll get inside the challenge. Daily instructional videos. The special flash stop move you can do anywhere in under 3 minutes. Recipes, micro stretches, mindfulness, sensate focus, and a symptom diary that personalizes your path. Also, a maintenance roadmap so comfort becomes your new normal, not just a lucky day. This is what the transformation of most women who have joined the challenge looks like after just 14 days. In the first few days, there's a drastic drop in the number of flare-ups, thanks to our secret flash stop move that does wonders. By midweek, gentle micro stretches release the hidden tension that keeps skin on edge. Your diary turns guesswork into a clear pattern, and flares begin to feel predictable and preventable, instead of random. As the second week unfolds, the day-night care routine becomes second nature. Dryness softens, friction drops, and easy hydration snacks help tissues feel steadier. You begin noticing that hot moments resolve faster, nights are calmer, and you're not managing your day around bathrooms, wardrobes, or what-ifs. With the Soften and Engage pelvic floor practice, your body stops clenching for impact. Paired with the mindfulness and sensate focus programs included, it rebuilds calm, curious sensation. So intimacy feels safer and more within your control. By day 14, you have a maintenance roadmap, a symptom trigger map that actually matches your life, and a handful of quick moves, systems, and techniques you can do anywhere. Most women describe the same shift: fewer, shorter, softer flares, steadier, quieter days, and confidence that doesn't vanish. Because now you know exactly what to do, and it works. If you want to know how to join the 14-Day Comfort Challenge today, you can do so by clicking Learn More below. And remember, you deserve comfort and pleasure without guessing. I'll see you inside day 1.